So after we're done with this, we're just gonna make the that part over here that we can see over in the reference pictures. First things first, let's put two edge loops down there. PS, just copying and making it as a red object. Shift right click PS. There we go. Yes, that's that one. Now let's get rid of those. Let's go back to our new object that we just created. Turn on this update. Get rid of the vertices. Get rid of the edges. Easy. It is a little bent towards the left side. Just a tiny bit. Right over there. Let's get to the isolation mode. Share smooth sub D. Put it up. Get two. That's not gonna work. Let's move it manually. Let's copy it. Let's go for 0.5, minus 0.5 on the left side and then 0.5 on the right side. 0.5. Oh, okay. Minus 0.5. Cool. Just like that, we have our light ready. Double G, then 0.025. It's gonna be the same over here. It's gonna be minus 0.25. We just ended up on minus 1.025. Now we're gonna give it some supporting loops. Now for the light in the middle, we're just gonna get rid of these faces. I'm just gonna make a face. Take that. Then give some boundary loops over on the inside. Now let's isolate this. Get rid of the supporting vertices. Let's say UI. Okay. All right. UI. There we go. There we have our light bar. Cool. But we have a problem. But this is that the light is a little bit skewed from the right side towards the from the right view towards the right side. There we go. Just UI.